I've been running in circles, hit 10,000 miles of pavement, trying to make it all make sense. I've been underslept, overworked, overstretched, I'm exhausted, but you.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Elias the Traveler here, coming back to the nightlife video here of the old town in Hoi An. As I mentioned earlier guys, I was going to be showing a little bit of the nightlife scene, a little bit more of a deep dive. It is a weekday, it's Wednesday, and it's definitely better than the last time I came here, which was like the weekend. It was packed. It's also very early right now, so we'll see. But we're gonna head over to the riverside, riverwalk, and yeah guys, just a little fact though, probably a little bit dark here. We got the live music going already, about 7 p.m. at night, so the night just starting. And so far we got live music going, pretty nice. Check out some of this talent, raw talent. So yeah, there's a lot of live music here. The energy is pretty cool. I'm gonna walk over to the Riverwalk. I did want to say guys, I rode my bike over here, and apparently you can't bring bicycles here during this time. I guess during the day it was fine when I biked around here, but during this time of the busy time at the evening, apparently, or they were just trying to scam me. I had to pay 10,000 dong, which really is not a lot, but to leave my bike somewhere because they didn't let me bike around here. So apparently you can't bike. I mean, I guess I could understand why. It's causing some accidents, too many people here. So but yeah, that's the vibe. So just so you know guys, if you get a bike from the hotel, which a lot of you will, you can't bring the I'm not supposed to bring the bikes here, although I'm sure people probably have snuck it in. We'll see. We got like some music, live performances here. See what they're doing here.
Cảm ơn em Hoàng Tấn đến từ câu lạc bộ Thủy Long Hồng Sơn. Tiếp theo chương trình là bài Phong Hoa Đao Em Dập Binh đến từ
like a martial arts performance apparently with kids.
Anh Toàn bài Hùng Cây Quỳ chuẩn bị.
Cool vibes guys. So yeah, big difference from earlier today when I came and nobody here. I was biking around. Now it's like freaking packed with people. Everybody's on the lantern boats. It is beautiful at night guys. Definitely gotta say, this is, I didn't do this myself yet. I was debating doing this before I leave, but you get an idea. I really don't want to be on a boat like this alone anyway. This is kind of like being in Venice when you get on those boats there. It's good as a group, or if you have a couple, or romantic I guess, but it's beautiful to look at. Like and subscribe.
Hít chi for two you got bố.
I'm gonna get out of this spot. She came here to hang out and have a few drinks, so that's what I'm gonna go do. But just wanted to show some of this, guys, the vibe here. Super nice, touristic, romantic, all that at the same time. Beautiful colors, beautiful lights. A lot of people, as you can imagine. It's like more like a pedestrian walking street at night. During the day, I guess you can bike around, all that. There's a vegan restaurant here, which is cool. We got vegan options, so it's good to know. Come back here maybe. The vegan food, more local foods here. Alright guys, once again, apologize about the lighting. It's not the best. I understand that, trust me. So the quality of this video is not going to be that great, but that's what I got right now. That's what I'm working with right now, so I'm going to try to get more lighting. There's a lot of lights here, but it's very dark also. But you can see the beauty of all the lanterns. Everything's lit up. Big difference from the day, guys. The boats are operating. I heard them say $150 for 2 people, so I don't know. Or like a quick ride on the boat. I'm not really dying to get on one of them, honestly, guys. I did the coconut boat today. I'm fine with that. I mean, you know, this is like more like a couples thing for me, or like group. I'm not really dying to get on there. So, but I am dying to have a drink right now, though. So we're gonna see. And this is the street I thought I was nearby, but apparently I'm gonna have to walk way down here and find my bicycle when I am about to leave. So this is where you can buy the. We were way down though. I came on the other side of this strip where I should have came further down. But it is what it is. Yeah, happy hour. Some of these places, buy one get one free. My first spot, I think, is gonna be the reggae place that I saw earlier. Hopefully they have a reggae vibe. It wasn't just a kind of gimmick, but they had Bob Marley posters and all that. So hopefully, guys, we're gonna be able to check it out. It's hard to see all these people here, guys. It's crazy. So many damn people, man. If you don't like to be around crowds, this is definitely not going to be good for you guys. Oh. Easier. We're heading towards the bridge right now. I'm like way away. I didn't know I was so far from the bridge. When I put my bike down, I would have went further up and parked it over there, but it's fine. At least I have an idea now where my bike is. It's way on the other side. I'm gonna have to like stumble my ass. I'm not gonna get that drunk anyway, but hopefully not. line of people here, guys. You can see a ton of people here that's waiting for the boats, apparently. I'm not about to do that. Let's go check this out, though. Recording because it's so dark here. So let's get on the bridge. Alright guys, we are on the bridge. It's a walking bridge right here in this old town. It is beautiful. So packed with people though. I guess it makes sense why they didn't allow bikes here. You can barely walk here. So yeah, you can't even bring a bike at all. Look at this view. It's like a version of Venice with a... Excuse me? See?
We'll take a picture here.
Everything's packed.
Take a picture here.
Okay. Happy hour. Hôm nay full moon party. Dali.
Well, apparently there's a full moon party going on. I guess this is the first of the month, April 1st. They have happy hour, so maybe I came at a good time, or maybe not. I really didn't want to drink too much, but I probably will have a few drinks here. So I'm here, and I have time now. I don't have to rush. We're gonna head over to the reggae bar that I saw earlier and check out that vibe. Hopefully I can get a seat there. Everything's packed now, so we're gonna see. This is that Morning Glory that I passed by earlier today. All these places were just not even open when I came, but it was nice to see it empty. Now you can barely get a seat, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy how busy this place is every day apparently. I thought it was just the weekend when I came, but this is like this every day. Wednesday night. So here we go. Some really nice, classy looking places here. Cool bars around here. There's that Funky Monkey that I saw earlier, Mango around here, and the reggae joint should be somewhere here. It's another vegetarian option place, so that's cool. Glad to see that they have a variety of vegetarian places to choose from, so which is kind of nice. Yeah.
Excuse me.
almost steals my bike, guys. Actually, I just realized they didn't even give me anything, any kind of ticket or anything. This is a reggae spot, so that's where I'm going. Not really a reggae place, though. Happy hour special?
Yeah, cocktail. Yeah, cocktail.
Only buy one, get one free?
Yeah. Yeah, make drink, happy hour. I want it.
Do you have any whiskey? These two. I guess this is happy hour. This one too, happy hour? How about Marley? That one too? All of them. Let me, it's very sweet, right? Sweet? You understand me? No? Let me do the whiskey sour. Yeah.
Sorry, you buy now 160.
And I get two, right?
Yeah.
You take card?
No card.
No card?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No card.
Alright. Alright guys, we're at the reggae bar here. There's not really much reggae happening. It's more like a rock or funk, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Sports bar.
Sorry, you buy now 160.
Yeah, okay. Do it. You're gonna buy now, guys. You get 2 for 1. The vibe, guys. I'm in the Bob Marley bar that I came earlier. You get like some drink specials. I got the whiskey sour, you get 2 for 1, happy hour. They got a pool table here. They have darts. And pretty good DJ, I guess, so far. I don't really hear much like reggae music, but I guess they play a little bit mixed in. So pretty decent start. They also have some food. Mostly all drinks though. I'll probably go somewhere else for food. I'm gonna really eat here, but they do have food and stuff like that. That's pretty much all they have for food. So, French fries, bread and chips, and spring rolls. Nothing else. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy the drink and start here and see what happens. Not bad. A little bit of kick to it. Right by the riverfront. All the front row seats are taken. So I'm not over here, but I'll walk around and show you guys a little bit here. Pretty crowded out here though. Like you gotta get here early to get a seat. And they have power, which is good. Alright. Alright guys, I'm not gonna record all of this, but we'll see if anything happens. I'll keep on going. I'm probably gonna hit up a few bars, so show you the vibe here, and then I'm probably gonna have dinner somewhere. So stay posted. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, Elias, the Traveler